In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Mazda key fob. These key fobs are in a multitude of models, but my model in particular is for a Mazda 6. To change this key fob battery, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to turn the key fob this way with the key popped up. And if you look inside there is a small little hole. There's a circle around it. They're right there, and here it is also. Here's another angle. A little box inside this channel. We're going to go get a pair of tweezers, push down, and pull out, and it's gonna come out just like this. What we're doing on the actual key fob is we're just getting this little piece of plastic and we're pushing it down like that, just releasing it. And while you're pulling, it's an easier way to pull it out. We're done with this now. We can set that aside, and what we could do is we can get started on this right here and getting this taken apart. To get to the actual battery, we do have to take this apart, but it's fairly simple. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You're gonna get a metal pry tool, and you're gonna shove it underneath. You're gonna have something like this. See that right there where I just shoved it like that? You're gonna get under there and you're gonna go like this, shove it underneath, and you're gonna want to go like this. So you want to get the tool and lift up. And you're gonna want to go around like this, like that. It pops up just like that. It all comes out. There's our battery. Safely, this is going to fall off, this little metal piece right here. This is going to want to fall off always. So just put it on the side and face it down like this. To get to the battery, it's right there. The battery is shown above with this name right here. It is a CR1620 battery, and to take it out, and you're going to grab it and pry up. Be careful not to bend this metal, because if you bend this metal, your key fob is basically useless. And there we go. The battery is completely out. Here is the model if you want to go look at it on the actual physical battery. There you go. It is a CR1620. These are fairly cheap. I put a link in the description if you guys want to go get that and just have it straight ordered. With the new battery, you just kind of reverse the process. You're going to get this battery, you're going to put it in, clip it in. It's going to stay snug in there just like that. And basically you just get it, flip it over, put it on top of the key fob portion with all the buttons like this, and you're going to line it up and you're going to hear clicks. And to put this part back, you're going to want to line up this stock portion right here and go like this. And that's it. It's all in there. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and take it easy, guys.